Let me take you to Rio. Let me take you to Rio. Let me take you up, take you high, take you far in the sky. Let me take you. Oh, let me take you to Rio.
Rio de Janeiro, just for the weather though. Don't wait for that moment, it's everywhere that we go. Don't worry about the future, cause really you never know. Trust yourself, no one can tell you which direction to go. All the time, most of the time, but some of the time, nothing in mind under the sun. Summer is fine, and weather's bad weather none of the time. It's nothing but blue skies, I deal with them clouds some other time. I'm gone.
Let me take you to Rio. Fly on the ocean like an eagle. And we can chill in my gazebo. Ooh, nah, nah, nah. Let me take you to Rio. Fly on the ocean like an eagle. And we can chill in my gazebo. Ooh, nah, nah, nah.
Show you a life that you never experienced. Open your mind up and witness the limitless.